experience growth, you want to experience unconditional love, joy, gratitude, happiness, anything, you should come here. Krishna ji and Preeta ji are the enlightened souls, and their presence is everything.
I would say it was a beautiful experience.
Right now, my inner state is so peaceful, so calm, so full of so much of joy. I'm experiencing each and every second in my life.
The tremendous happiness I felt here, I cannot express.
I feel so calm, and I'm feeling really blessed to be here, because each and every day they are taking us through such a wonderful states of enlightenment, which is nowhere in the whole planet, I feel, and I truly feel blessed to be here.
I can't explain it in one word. It's very divine, and the knowledge, the experience, the feeling, what you get in Ekam standing there like here, it's not in any books. This knowledge is nowhere. You can experience it here, and it's my experience that everyone on this planet Earth will feel, will experience, and will actually discover their own divine.
Initially, I did not even have a proper connection with the divine. I knew that there is divine, there is ultimate, the universal intelligence, but I wasn't able to connect. And now, I can feel the presence everywhere around me, and I've had a deep connection with the divine. Thank you, Ekam Enlightenment Festival.
And yes, it's been like 5 days I have been attending this. I can say that divine exists. It truly exists.
I actually started feeling one with the other. I felt at that time that I was one with all the nature and everybody, myself dissolved.
The water, it was just flowing. It's touching each and every one of us. It's giving different experiences to each and every one of us. And all of us were playing, a few of us were praying, a few of us were just sitting there. But each and every one of us had a different experience, whereas it was the same water which was just flowing. There were trees over there were animals, there were birds. There were so many different life forms which is getting so many different experiences out of the water, but the water didn't stop, didn't, make it a point to point it out that it's doing so much. Whereas every time we do something good, we do something, we always point out telling that, you know what, that was me who did it. I helped someone out, I'll be like, I'm a good human because I did that. But the water, it isn't like that. It's doing the very form of water as itself, that is its nature. And Krishna ji is exactly like that. Everything that Krishna ji does, says, their very existence is so helpful to mankind, to all of us. And that's like true compassion. I understood the stark difference between what the state was and what we think we were in.
The only journey that I want to take right now is the inward journey of freeing myself from suffering and getting enlightened, because I think life is going to be real only after that. Now it's only a perception of life through our suffering, and how we harm and hurt others through all of it, only for ourselves. So I think tapas is the only step, enlightenment is the only way to look forward in our lives itself.
Real life experience which Krishna ji, Ekam has given me at this point of time. Thank you, Krishna ji, so much.
You have all understood what it is to be enlightened. You have all understood that enlightenment is the most important thing for you to have a very blissful, joyful life. You are being a light to the world. You are being that beautiful, beautiful, wonderful human being to the world. And that's only possible when you have this enlightenment experience. So you are carrying back in your consciousness a very powerful gift from here.